Instantly analyze your SEO issues. Helps to identify your SEO mistakes and better optimize your site content for free. SEO Analyzer helps you run unlimited analysis on our most powerful servers. Stored reports make it easy to view progress and past work. With our in-depth website analysis, learn how to fix your SEO issues with clear definitions for each SEO metrics. Side-by-side SEO comparisons with your competitors. See how your SEO can improve against the competition. The first Greek total free SEO tool. Our aim to make search engine optimization easy. We provide simple, professional quality SEO analysis and critical SEO monitoring for websites totally free. By making our free SEO tools intuitive and easy to understand, we've helped thousands of small business owners. Webmasters and SEO professionals improve their online presence. We are glad to help you. Please feel free and use our platform for totally free.